So I want to make a quick video. I want to show you how to make animated GIFs from a screen capture in Mac OS X. Let's just get to it. Okay, so I have this Python program right here, and I want to make an animation of me rotating this around. It doesn't really matter what it is. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is to screen capture the screen. So there's built-in screen capture. Mine, if you press Command Shift 5, it brings up this window like that. And so I can change the size of this. Let's just make it smaller, like that. That's fine. I really don't want me in there, so let's get that up right there. That's what's going to capture. Now you can't really see it because I have my thing too small, but I want it on record selected portion, and then under options you can tell it where to save. I'm going to save it to the desktop. Okay, so let's click record. So it is recording. Now I'm going to rotate this around, and I want to make this a GIF. Okay, so I'm going to rotate that around, zoom out, and do whatever. Okay, now I'm going to stop this. So you can, there's a little icon in the upper, you can't see it too because I'm zoomed in, that you can stop it. So it stops that, and it will save that video file to where you told it to go to. Now I need to take that and turn it into a GIF. So I am using, I don't think this is built into Mac, and I think it came with Final Cut Pro, but I'm not sure. I'll have to check. I'm going to use this app called Compressor. So this is a really useful app in Mac OS X to change video files. So you may see it in this mode where it says active or completed, but you want to be on current. And I don't know what I'm doing. I just got it to work once, and so I do the same thing I did every other time. So now what I want to do is drag my video file in here to add file. So I'm going to go to my Finder. There's my screen recording. See? Oh, you can't see it. See, there's my screen recording. Okay, and you can hear me. The sound won't matter because I'm making it a GIF. Now just drag this down here. Drag down there. Okay, so now it's in. The next thing I need to do is to trim it. So over here we have these little handlebars. That scrubs it, but there's another one way over here that I can grab, the yellow one, and that will set the beginning frame. This other one sets the end frame. And you can actually, the really nice thing is you can actually use arrow keys to move in frame by frame, which is really nice. Okay, so then down here it says add. So it has my video frame, screen recording, whatever. I'm going to click add. And then we have all the kinds of formats that we could use to transform this. I want to go to motion graphics. I'm going to push the arrow down and then do animated large. You can actually do both of these. You could do, let's do both. And I'm going to shift and insert both of them. And so now what it says what it's going to do. Okay. If I click on just one of them, I can actually, in an animated frame, in an animated GIF, you can actually change what part you want to screen capture. So this is really nice because if you have a full video and you want to make it 4:3 or whatever, I can just grab this arrow and then move it in, and it'll change the size of the thing. Once I'm done with that, I've got my frame set up, I've got my part I want to capture. All I have to do is click Start Batch, and then that will render it. So it's rendering up here, it's waiting and processing. It'll take a second. File sizes can vary. That's one of the reasons I like to do the large and the small animated GIF, is because once it's done, I can pick the one that's the most appropriate sized. If it's over, 10 megabytes, that's a little large. Also, I'm on an Intel Mac right now, and it's super slow. If you're on an M1 Mac, boom, it's fast. I want to wait for the whole thing, though. I should have just done one. I should have made it shorter time. Now we're here. Awkward. What should I show you? I have a few seconds. See if there's anything fun to see while you wait. How about this? I don't know if you can see it. So this is a piece of acrylic, And what they do is they take it and they bombard it with high energy electrons, and they get embedded all in there. And then they take a grounding rod and ground it. All electrons come out. When they do that, they melt the acrylic, and you get this nice little plastic lightning bolt that looks really cool. Okay, we're done. See? Now I'm going to go to my Finder. It's in the same location that I put it. So there's my there's my GIF right there. And that one is 227 kilobytes. That's the small. The large is bigger, 2.2 megabytes. So there you go. That's how you do it. There are other ways to do it. Once you get your way to do it your way. That's important. That's it.